Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make full width page in Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the full width page in Elementor, it is really easy. All we need to do is to go inside the pages and we'll simply go here with the test page and edit with Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor. So now as you can see here, we have these dotted outlines. So it simply means that our content will be covered in these outlines. So it is not on the full width. Okay. So let me just use the container here. Now if I just put the heading inside this, now you can see here it is only occupying the space that we had in the dotted outline. So how can we occupy the full width? That is really easy. You need to click on the container here. And from here, you just have to change the content width. Okay. So that would be full width. Now you'll be able to occupy the full width of the container. This is how we can occupy the full width. Okay. And if you also want to occupy the full height, for that, what we need to do, we just have to change the unit here and the min height, that would be VH. And here I just have to write down 100. Okay. And you can also see this little note here: to achieve full height container, we need to use 100 VH here. Okay, so this is how it works. So let's just give a color to our container, or we can also use the background image. So let's go for the image here. Okay, so I would like to go here with this one. And now you will be able to see our full width container. So let me just put the text into the center and let's just go back to our container. Go back into the layout, and here what I need to do, I just have to put the value of justified content into the center. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you don't want to have the header or the footer on the Elementor page, all you would need to do is to go inside the setting, and here in the page layout, you would have to select the Elementor canvas. Okay, after that, you won't be able to see the header or the footer on that particular page. This is how you can create the full width page in the Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.